A church prayer meeting in Mulhouse, a town at the border of Germany and Switzerland, triggered the biggest cluster of COVID-19 in France. At least 2,500 cases around the world are said to be linked to the religious gathering. Freelance journalist Ugochi Olugo visited the town and now tells us about its emergence after 8 weeks of lockdown.
Stefan is a strategic accounts manager based in Hamburg, Germany. He's one of the few passengers on this usually busy Basel-Strasbourg train service. It's been over 1 week since France began easing an 8-week nationwide lockdown. Stefan is returning to his base after being stuck in Mulhouse, east of France, since the travel restrictions.
Yeah, I just stayed 2 months in a row with my girlfriend here, and yeah, it was pretty. I was actually in a very best scenario because I was with my girlfriend and I wasn't stuck somewhere with no personal.
Mulhouse, a town in the Auvergne region of Alsace, was the epicenter of the earliest outbreak of the virus in France and one of the hardest hit. The coronavirus pandemic crippled this industrial town with museums, cafes and restaurants still closed. Here, a gathering of more than 10 persons is still prohibited.
In my relative, but for me it's a very delicate situation because there's so many cases every day, so many people days in so many countries. But I don't know, here in Stanley I think it's fine because it's small town, so I'm not very afraid about this situation.
So are you happy that the confinement has started?
Yeah, sure.
More than 28,000 people have died from COVID-19 infection in France. Even though the number of infections and deaths are on the decline and emergency makeshift hospitals are shutting down, this recovering town remains relatively quiet. The splashing of water at this fountain at the center of the town is a reminder of what life used to be here before residents and visitors kept away.
Well, I'm in the city of Mulhouse. And Mulhouse was really hard hit by this pandemic in France, and things are gradually getting back to normal. You can see people wearing their masks, especially in public transportation, or you pay 135 euros if you're caught without a mask in public